November 1982 Irish general election. The November 1982 Irish general election was held on Wednesday, 24 November. The newly elected 166 members of the 24th Dáil assembled at Leinster House on 14 December, when a new Taoiseach and government were appointed. The general election took place in 41 parliamentary constituencies throughout Ireland for 166 seats in the lower house of Parliament, Dáil Éireann. Campaign. The second general election of 1982 took place just 9 months after the first one in February of the same year. While it is not the shortest Dáil, it is unusual because never before had there been 3 general elections in 18 months. The general election was caused by the loss of support of the independent TD Tony Gregory and the Workers' Party for the Fianna Fáil government. This was due to the government's insistence on introducing substantial budget cuts, which the left-wing Taoiseach Dáil Éireann could not support. While economic issues dominated the campaign, the parties were weary in having to fight yet another general election. Result: Fine Gael Labour Party majority coalition government formed. Independents include Independent Fianna Fáil 7,997 votes, 1 seat. After the votes were counted, the result was conclusive. Fine Gael recorded its best election result until 2011, coming within 5 seats of Fianna Fáil. At other times, such as 1977, Fianna Fáil had been twice as big as Fine Gael. The Labour Party had a new leader with Dick Spring. A programme for government was quickly drawn up, and Garrett Fitzgerald of Fine Gael became Taoiseach for the second time. The poor showing for Fianna Fáil resulted in a leadership challenge to Charles Haughey by his opponents within the party. Haughey won the vote of confidence and remained as leader. Voting summary. Seats summary. Dáil membership changes. The following changes took place as a result of the election. 5 outgoing TD retired. 1 vacant seat at election time. 159 outgoing TD stood. For re-election also John O'Connell, the outgoing Sean Cumhaill, who was automatically returned. 138 of those were re-elected. 21 failed to be re-elected. 27 successor TD were elected. 18 were elected for the first time. 9 had previously been TD. There were 6 successor female TD, increasing the total by 6 to 14. There were changes in 22 of the 41 constituencies contested where more than one change took place in a constituency. The concept of successor is an approximation for presentation only.